Good morning, Flomaton High School. This is Braylon Gay with a few words of wisdom. Right now, young children around the world are looking forward to the arrival of a famous visitor from the North Pole. In 1909, a team of American explorers made a daring journey to the Arctic in search of the North Pole. Matthew Henson, the first African-American Arctic explorer, was a part of the group, and he had to say this: "Only men can get a vision and an inspiration that will lift him above the level of himself and send him forth against opposition. To do and to dare to accomplish wonderful and great things for the world and for humanity." Matthew Henson's accomplishments can inspire you to do great things. Today, ask yourself what great and wonderful things you want to accomplish, then hold that vision. With something to think about, this is Braylon Gay. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Good luck to the varsity basketball teams as they play in the Escambia County basketball tournament at W.S. Neal today and tomorrow. Go Canes. Baseball tryouts are next week. There's an important pre-tryout meeting in Coach Bell's room on Monday. Tryouts are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Semester exams begin next Wednesday. Students will take 6th and 7th period exams Wednesday, 3rd, 4th, and 5th period exams Thursday, and 1st and 2nd period exams. Friday, school will dismiss next Friday at 11:30.